What's up YouTube, today I got a brand new YouTube video for you guys, and as you guys read from the title, in today's YouTube video we're going to be reviewing and showing you guys how to use the Jason Markk Premium Shoe Care Starter Set Shoe Cleaning Kit. So I saw this at the mall the other day and I decided to just pick it up. So it was only 35 bucks. It comes with a premium shoe cleaner, it comes with a Jason Markk Repel Premium Stain and Water Repellent, and it comes with 2 brushes. The standard cleaning brush is made out of synthetic bristles for great all-around cleaning and works great for areas like midsoles. The premium cleaning brush has softer hog bristles, which are better suited for delicate materials like suede, nubuck, cotton, mesh, and even more. The microfiber towel is extremely absorbent, quick drying, lint-free, and non-abrasive. It has a quick wipe, so you could just quickly wipe your sneakers, and it has the repel to repel water, stains, or anything like that to keep your shoes further protected after you clean them. And in today's video, we're going to be cleaning my Jordan 12 Fibas. So here I have my Jordan 12 Fibas. You guys can see they are not in the best shape. They are super muddy from the bottom. And basically what happened is it's been raining here and I accidentally stepped in some mud. So this is what happened. This is the aftermath of that. But we're going to go ahead and see what the Jason Markk shoe cleaning set can do to these shoes, if it can bring them back to life and keep them protected for a little bit longer. So let's go ahead and get the box opened up. Alright, so right here on the back we have a Jason Markk Quick Wipe Dual Texture Shoe Cleaning Wipe with raised dots for extra cleaning strength. So say you're running late and you just need something to quickly wipe up your shoes a little bit and clean them up really quick, just go ahead and grab one of the quick wipes and just wipe down your shoes. So what you want to go ahead and do is get yourself a bowl of water. The reason I have 2 bowls is because I will be taking off the laces and use one separate bowl just for the laces to agitate them in the water and get them cleaned up. So let me go ahead and take off the laces real quick. Alright, so I got the laces off, so now let's get into cleaning the shoe. So it did say to first dip the brush into your water, so that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Dip our brush into the water. Go ahead and take some solution and apply a liberal amount onto the brush. So I'm going to apply like a few drops here. Okay, dip it back into the water, and once we have the solution and water on our brush, we're going to go ahead and start to agitate it onto the shoe. So just go ahead and do this in circular motions, and then you'll start to see the foam start to foam up. And that means that your product is working. So already we can see that the foam changed from like a white to like a darker brown here, and that's because it's lifting up the dirt particles and cleaning up your shoe overall. Let's go ahead and dip this back in here and take off some of that dirt from the brush, and then just repeat the process. Again. I do like how small this brush is because it's a lot easier to grab and just grip into your hand like this. So you can see just how quickly it's cleaning up the shoes. Now if you do have suede nubuck on your shoes, go ahead and just repeat the same process, but just use this brush. It's a lot more softer. This one I use this because it's a leather, so it can handle these bristles. And the dirt was pretty bad, so it kind of needed some extra strength on the bristles to take off all that dirt. We're also going to do the bottom to just make sure we get everything. Alright, so we went ahead and did the first step. So now we're going to go ahead and take our microfiber towel here and just wipe off our shoe. If your towel does get dirty, like this towel will be getting dirty because it's white and we're wiping up dirt, all you got to do is just throw it in the washer, or just hand wash it just really quick and just rinse it off, and most of it should come off. Now usually most of your shoes will not get this bad. Like I said, these shoes did get this bad because I did step in some mud because it was raining, so I did have to clean them up a little bit more because they were just really dirty. So if you still do have some dirt left over, like in these little crevices right here, all you got to do is just go ahead and take your brush again and just really focus on those little places, and instantly, look how quickly it just came off. If your shoes are this bad, I would recommend giving it a second pass like I'm doing right now. Just go ahead and give it the final wipe before we go ahead and spray the repel on the shoe to keep the shoe protected. So let's see it before and after. So this is the after, this is the before. Just look how much cleaner, Jason Markk shoe cleaning kit got them. So much cleaner. This is how they were before, the after. Really quick, and didn't even take much time, to be honest. The cleaning solution really put in that work. Alright, so if you do decide to also clean your shoelaces like this, all you have to do is just take some of the soap, put some into the bowl there, and then just go ahead and just put your shoelaces in there, and then just mix them up by hand, kind of like a washing machine, but like your hand is the washing machine. And just mix them up, agitate them in there, and the water will get a little bit more dirty. Like this water already got a little bit less clear, and that means that the solution and the water is working to take off that dirt off of your shoelaces. And then after, you can just go ahead and just squeeze them out and let them hang dry, and then you should be good after a few minutes. Alright, so we got the shoelaces back on, so now let me show you guys the complete before and after. Just look how much cleaner the shoes are and the laces compared to before. So much cleaner overall. The shoelaces got clean, and this was literally didn't even take like 5 minutes. Like this was really quick. So now let's go ahead and use the repel. Spray 6 to 8 inches away from the shoe and protect our shoe. So we're about 6 to 8 inches here, and let's go ahead and spray. Okay, make sure we get a nice even full coat all over the whole shoe. Okay, so now we're gonna wait 24 hours before we go ahead and apply another coat of the repel to make sure that these shoes are nice and protected. Alright, so now for a quick overview. So for $35 we get 2 ounces of the premium shoe cleaner, we get 2 ounces of the Jason Markk Repel premium stain and water repellent. We get 2 brushes, a hog hair brush, a nice soft hog hair brush, and then we get a more stiffer standard brush. And then you also get a test quick wipe. So if you just want to quickly clean your shoes, like if you're in a rush and you need something to quickly just wipe your shoes down and they're not too dirty like this, then you can just use a quick wipe and just wipe your shoes down really quick and just go on about your day. So for $35, this is a great starter kit. So I would say 100% give it a try, test it out for yourself. I personally do like this a lot because it comes with 2 brushes, it comes with a quick wipe, and it gives you a pretty good amount of solution for your money. So if you guys did enjoy this video and you guys would like to see more videos like this or just more product reviews, make sure to drop a comment down below. Like this video if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.